So now let's see how we can work around with the replace color effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the replace color option, you need to go around onto the file menu and then go around onto import right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and select out an image of which you want to go ahead and replace the color of right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you need to go around under effects and then you need to go around under adjust right here and replace out the color right here. So once you go ahead and select it, you can choose a source. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select this orange, and you can see that it simply goes ahead and then replaces it with the color that you select right here. So if I were to go around select yellow, then you can see that it replaces it out with the color yellow right there. You can go around and choose a different range right here, just like this as well. So you can also choose single color, so only that area gets affected if you select it, but let me just go around and choose more smoother color. So I can go ahead and change around the smoothness right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and decrease out the smoothness or increase out the smoothness right here so that it affects that particular area. You can go ahead and change the hue right here to change around the color that you want to replace with, and then you can go ahead and change around the saturation right here as well, and that is the effect that you get right here, just like this. You can also work around with the lightness of the color right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with replace color effect inside of Corel Draw. So this is what you have. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.